I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple drink, a screwdriver. So simple, you only need 3 steps to make it. It's something you can make at parties when you're tired of beer and wine and that kind of thing. And the nice thing is with this drink, you get your vitamin C nutrients, always important. So the things you'll need for this drink, first of all, a highball glass. You will need ice, orange juice, and of course, vodka. Very important. So first of all, we'll add our ice. There we go. And then we will add our vodka and our orange juice. So for this, we'll do 2 parts orange juice and 1 part vodka. And then we'll just stir it up and then serve. Enjoy your drink. Thank you.